My name is Matt Wolfe. I'm from Southern Illinois in the United States. I live in a small town called Benton, Illinois. I started working in the precision ag industry lightly in probably around 2004. I started my career in an implement dealership, and obviously, like a lot of implement dealerships in the early 2000s, we started doing a little bit of GIS work with dirt scrapers, pans, things like that, but we really got heavy into auto steer and yield monitoring. Later, we started doing more application rate control type products. That eventually, at the time, there was a lot of John Deere dealer consolidation in the U.S., so I decided that it was time to find a different career. Started working for a GPS manufacturer in the United States, or actually out of Canada. Really fell in love with working for precision farming manufacturers, and that eventually led me to a career at Ag Leader. So I started working at Ag Leader in 2011. I spent most of my career as a territory manager in the great state of Illinois. We were one of the largest sales territories for Ag Leader, and probably one of the most progressive precision ag areas in the world is Illinois in the United States. So I've been very blessed and to manage that territory for Ag Leader for about 7 years. Today I serve as Ag Leader's business development manager. So I work in a global capacity where I travel all over the world working with small to medium-sized original equipment manufacturers. I work with a lot of strategic accounts, big agronomy companies, and then I also really help our international offices and even our North American territory managers find ways and new ways to take our existing products and sell those into new, or what we call, emerging markets. So that's what I really do at Ag Leader today. What are some of the benefits of precision agriculture? Well, the nice thing about precision agriculture, most anything we do or sell or offer or support is going to do really three things for the grower. It's going to make them more money, it's going to make them more efficient, or it's going to reduce their effort and save them time. And that's what I love about precision farming, because the two things we don't have enough of is money and time. And that's exactly what Ag Leader helps. And everything we do is either going to make the farmer more efficient, making more money, saving time. And that's what we're all about. And if you really look at Ag Leader's product portfolio, you're not going to find a product that doesn't do one of those things I just mentioned. So that's kind of one of our general qualifications for if Ag Leader's ever going to build a product. Where do I think the precision agriculture industry is going to be in 5 to 10 to 20 years? Well, I'll tell you, if I knew that, I probably wouldn't be sitting here. But it's really amazed me how quickly now that the industry ramps up and progresses with new products. It seemed like new technologies really catch on a lot quicker. But then at the same time, some of the most basic precision ag technologies are they're slow to catch on. Some of the most important things we can do in precision agriculture haven't been fully adopted yet. One of the biggest things I think that hasn't been fully adopted yet is really growers making informed decisions off of their data. I think that's probably one of the biggest things that's going to change. Even though we've been doing it for 25 years, there's just still a lot of the industry hasn't embraced that concept yet. So I think as we get more and more layers of data, I think we're going to start doing more with the information and helping farmers make more decisions. Other things I think we'll see come will be a big migration to more row-by-row type controls, or nozzle-by-nozzle controls on sprayers, where we used to be one section, now we're down to section-based systems. We're going to get down to even smaller, tighter sections. I think auto steer is probably about as good as it needs to be. I don't see us making a lot of leaps and bounds in auto steer technology moving forward. Probably maintaining the status quo, but I think we're going to see more semi-autonomous type products hit the market. Maybe 20 years down the road, we might start to see a few more. Probably going to see autonomy hitting in the next 20 years, but it's going to be interesting over the next 5 to 10 years to see really what comes out in the marketplace, especially given the current state of the world agricultural markets.